Hello. I would like to just randomly share with you some of my go-to sweet snacks because I love it, okay? I love me some sweet stuff. So it's blueberry smoothie, nutty cereal, and mini cheesecakes with peanut. Let's begin. So with blueberry smoothie, I just use regular ice cream. I just want to keep the blueberry flavor as it is and not mess with it too much. But you can use any other ice cream if you want to play with flavors. Next is blueberry itself. I'm using wild blueberry here. You can use whatever you want. I also add some sesame seeds. I use them almost everywhere because why the hell not? Milk. No comment here. And then you mix it up. It's very satisfying to watch. A bit loud, but that's okay. And there you go. It's nice and thick. There's some lumps there. I don't mind those because those are ice cream. I just chew on them. And yes, you can use any kind of cereal you want. I prefer non-sweet, more on raw side type of cereal. I just like the texture. And then of course, it's just a mix of nuts. I chop them up and I put them in. Again, you can use any type of dried fruit. I prefer raisin because it's kind of soury. Cinnamon gives it a really nice touch. Sesame seeds, of course. Milk, no comment here. And you're done. Okay, so first I find some sandwich cookies that fit well into the baking mold. Then I add some cream cheese. I pour in some cream, just a little bit. And then I add some sugar, a pinch of salt, and mix it up. Add some starch, flour, and baking powder. Mix it up. Couple of eggs. Mix it up again. Whisk it. Some peanut butter. I would add some more, honestly. I just didn't have any more. And then we add some peanuts. So the mixture is ready. I just fill in all the molds to the top and I put them in the oven for a short period of time. Then I melt some chocolate with some butter and cream and I cover the cheesecakes. Next, for the garnish, I just crush some cookies and I just sprinkle it over the chocolate. And it's done. So the best part is tasting and sharing it, of course. I like to feed people. Don't get weird with it. So I have some bonus cheesecake for you because a lot of mixture was left after I had done the mini cheesecakes. Out of those crushed cookies, I made some base for the cheesecake, spread the mixture. I ovened it for a little bit. And then I added some chocolate that was also left over in the same way. And then I just sprinkle it with some cookies, crushed cookies. And then just to spice it up, I also crushed some peanuts and I added them, sprinkled them as well. And there you go, it's done. It's a bit more tender than mini cheesecakes because the base is thinner, but they're both good. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.